Mama plugged the floor back in by the yellow kitchen bin. Whiskers sprinted past the chair, then every cat was everywhere. The robot rolled beneath the couch with tiny scissors clicking out. Mr. Paws yelled, "Cut it out!" The vacuum answered, "No way out!" Call the neighbor, call the vet, call the guy who fixes pets. Nobody knows what's going on. The motor keeps on marching on. Floor vents are snack bang cats to death. Paws in the hallway, fur in the vents. Floor vents are snack bang cats to death. Turn off the switch before there's nothing left. Unplug it now. Unplug it now.